day 27 and we're staying here another night because we have a little bit too much time left, so we're just chilling at the beach, I suppose. But it's pretty foggy, so warm clothes. Okay, never mind, they're fully booked for the weekend, so I guess we're leaving. But that means we're gonna go surfing, which is great. With all due respect, but just when I got changed in my wetsuit, a couple of guys came in with their boards, screaming, "Oh, it's our shark!" And 10 minutes ago there was this huge shark in the water. With all due respect and my loving of surfing, but I'm not doing that. I'm not risking that. Just right behind me here, there are people still in there, but hell no, I'm not doing that. Yeah. That was surfing for today, which was unfortunate, but we got a refund and so, but that's it for surfing for today then. We are leaving the U-Haul behind. From now on, it's bike again. So let me explain what the mess of today was. We started out at this expensive ass campground down south from here. Where we couldn't stay another night, so we traveled up north with the U-Haul by about 25 miles and ended up back in Half Moon Bay where we were 3 years ago, which is still really nice here. We checked in with the bikes here on the state campground, continued with the U-Haul up to Pacifica, and wanted to go surfing. Now, when I was full in gear and wetsuit and all, a lot of dudes came in saying, "Oh, there's a shark out there. We saw a shark like 10 minutes ago trying to eat a bird." And I was like, hell no. I went to the cashier and got a refund for it and didn't do it. Now we left the U-Haul. Now we're on bike again. And yeah, we saw another surf spot where the surf shop even told us that the waves there are really bad, but I don't want to miss out on surfing, so we might check that out tomorrow. And then we bike down the rest here. But we'll hopefully stay here, bike up north a little, and go surfing there. Even if the waves are bad, I don't really care anymore, as long as there are no sharks there. Yeah, everything else we'll see tomorrow. But for now, we also booked a hostel inside in San Francisco for 3 nights. So we'll have enough time to explore the city. But yeah, everything else. Now I gotta fly my drone to empty the batteries before the flight. Before the airplane flight.
All that and more you'll see. Just stay right here with me. Love is not fiction, but this time the story's about a king and a queen will pretend to be with paper crowns.
I'm down here at the beach. It's probably a little bit loud and it's already really dark and cold, but this back there looks really amazing. It's like, yeah, those are probably aliens coming down here. Also, this back there is the famous pillar point where the huge mavericks come down in the autumn. We're gonna go surf, not all the way out there, and it's not autumn, it's summer, so we should be good, but somewhere in here. But that's for tomorrow, unless these aliens come and get me tonight. Yeah, that's it for today. I'm going to my tent because it's getting freaking cold out here, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.